I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Mr. Jeff, can I ask why you're removing that tape?
I'm removing the tape because we finally have the bumper on. Our 3 days of building and cutting and drilling and grinding to get it to fit right, and I think we're there.
And repainting.
And repainted it.
That looks awesome. So the last thing that we have to do is actually the running lights for the license plate. We're gonna build a gasket for them because they look funny as they are. But anyway, one bumper on one said truck and a bunch of awesome.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it does.
I have to be soft. I have to coax it in.
Oh Lord.
Alright, it worked. I had to be soft, I had to be gentle, I had to be kind. Okay, so they're snug,
Okay.
not tight.
I
Alright.
just got these finger tights.
Okay. I will hold.
Wow, this is a bold front end and a bold rear end, doesn't it?
Yes. It's awesome. So Jeff's gonna get it hung. Then tomorrow morning, he and I will adjust it for the right gaps. And she'll look beautiful! Just putting the grill in
Yeah,
made
a huge difference.
Yeah. So I bought a brand new set of these. The ones
Those are the new ones?
Those are the new ones, yeah. So I bought 2 sets. I bought these new, but these were for my truck downstairs, and I just never used them because I thought it looked
For the Mystic?
for the Mystic. It just looked funny with the
Yeah.
boobs, and then this set of boobs looked too small compared to that set of boobs, and I didn't want the bumper to feel inferior.
You're such a frickin' weirdo. You got a lot of room to work down there?
Oh yeah. Not like there's a lift in the shop, right?
Jeff has something.
Let's work 8 inches off the ground every stinking time we do anything.
Okay, with a lot of adjustment and a lot of being extremely careful not to chip the paint, the front bumper is in its final resting place. And along with that chrome grille and the front bumper guards, I can't say that looks bad at all. That is very awesome. And as soon as we get the headlight bezels in, I would say this front end is actually quite sexy. Now, I'm saying it's sexy because the amount of time I spent on it was maybe 10% compared to what Jeff spent on it. So, let's get Jeff's opinion of what this front end is. Is it sexy or is it something else?
It is sexy. And I like it a lot better than the back bumper.
Yeah, yeah.
Less pieces and less cutting and adjusting.
Yes.
Now, it wasn't without some adjusting. We did have to extend the holes on the bumper supports a little bit, but I'll take that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna grab, so these are the factory ones, or excuse me, these are aftermarket ones. And we didn't use them because they kind of suck. Anyway, so on the original factory ones that we had media blasted and powder coated, we actually had to make these oblong here for up and down and angle, just like the fronts are. So this you can go back and forth and you can slide the bumper left to right and adjust it. But they had zero room for moving the bumper in and out. Well, we needed that. So Jeff adjusted both and now it is beautiful. And that machine over there in the corner, the horizontal lathe, actually worked great for that. So it's a great addition to the shop. So today we were able to get on the lower bumper, the light bezels, and of course the grille was done yesterday. The light bezels were somewhat of a challenge, but as you can see, they are in. We still have to adjust them a little bit. This one is sticking out a little bit, so we actually have to bend that over so it receives in. Kind of a pain in the derriere. Motor, nice and clean. Interior. Put up sound deadening mat on the back, just like what's on the floor. The carpet is in the center console. Still working on the electronics a little bit. They're all probably 95% done, but we still have to put in the gauges and such. Now, what this is kind of a comical part in our opinion a little bit. But that is, I don't think we're going to put it on today.
No.
I'm going to bring this steamer
But I
and
thought you'd
steam
want to
it.
show what it's going on
Right,
here.
yes. But literally that just velcros to the back of the carpet to this, and it's supposed to just hang there, which I'm sure it will do, but you know us, we have to figure out maybe a little bit different way to do that. So it's tight versus just hanging there like a drape. Anyway, long and short, it's coming along great. Jeff's doing an awesome job. Thank you, Jeff.
Yeah, I do. Considering I missed the whole... I didn't swear. I only swore in my mind. That doesn't count. The whole damn thing. It's looking good.
Like everything else that went in with the fight.
Super easy?
Super easy.
Yeah.
Had to fight it. Had to use the hammer. Rubber mallet. The tracks were off a little bit, so we had to persuade him into the right position to cooperate.
Nice.
I think we have it going now.
All right.
Yeah.
Looking good.
So